Hello, welcome to the Helpful channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a gas tank. So first, you need to unscrew these screws, I mean. Then you take the gas cap off. Then you take an 8mm or 5/16 inch socket and you take these 3 top bolts off. Then you take a 3/8. You take this bolt off under here. And you take pliers and you take this clamp off. Then take your new gas tank, put the hose on. Put the hose on. The clamp back on. Screws back in. Tighten them back down. Put your cover back on. Put the cap back on if applicable. The screws back in. And then you have completed your gas tank repair. Thanks for watching the Helpful channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell to not miss a new video. Cool videos coming soon.